Hey everyone, it's Val here. Welcome back to my channel. So today's unboxing is Ipsy March 2023. It's been a while. It's been 2 months since March and I'm barely doing this video. I even got my May bag and I even recorded my April bag like before this. So my plan was to honestly like wear something green because March, St. Patrick's Day, but I didn't want to wear like that same shirt that I wore from I think my FabFitFun and Mindful Souls unboxing. So I was like, you know what, let's try buying something, buying like a new like outfit or something. And I found an outfit, but I didn't like the way it looked on me, so I returned it. And I was like, you know, I'm never going to record this video if I just keep waiting for an outfit. So I'm just gonna put on whatever I feel comfortable making this video in. And this is what I put on. Just a shirt that I got from Austin, Texas, and some just comfortable pants. And yes, so I'm not going to worry about what I'm wearing in this video. I'm just gonna film March's Ipsy unboxing, or should I say unbagging, because it's a bag. And we're going to see what we got. So I think I did get an add-on, but I'm not 100% sure. So we're gonna start on with I guess I did get an add-on, but I don't remember getting this. Anyways, so I got the Professional Titan Toned Pore Refining AHA and PHA Toning Foam. I don't remember getting this at all, but it says apply 1 to 2 pumps to clean face and neck with hands. Use morning and evening. So this is the foam, and like I said, I don't remember getting this, but it has been 2 months, so I probably did, you know, add it as an add-on. And then the bag, I love the March's bag. When I saw it, I love it. They kind of did like a Women's Month theme, and I believe they took Athena as their inspiration from what I remember. It was either Athena or Aphrodite. I got the email and I would like to be able to tell you for sure. But this is the bag, and it's got this really cool geometric like texture to it, and it's all white, like a metallic white with the blue detailing in between the like zipper, and then it's got the gold zipper with, like I said, I'm pretty sure it's Athena. Okay, so it's actually Aphrodite. This is the zipper decor. I don't even know what this is called. Accessory, chain, keychain, I don't know. But it's just a little die or picture of Aphrodite, and I think that's a really pretty like detailing and stuff, little token I guess. And then it's got like those little beads all around it. But like I said, I really love this bag. It's really pretty, the all white, the metallic white, the geometric like design and texture to it. It's a really beautiful bag, and I'm excited to open it. So let's open it. I'm sure this is what you're waiting for. Whee! Okay, and then inside we have, oh look, I'm pretty sure we could have gotten the answer from here. So it says March's bag theme is Step Into Your Power. I really love that. So it says March 2023. This month is an all-out celebration of women's empowerment. As your biggest allies on the journey to self-expression and confidence, we're giving you everything you need to embrace your unique beauty, from a feel-good beauty routine to a community of inspiring women cheering you on along the way. Because when women come together, we're not only powerful, we're unstoppable. And then, so they are giving you an introduction of the icon box. So Glam Bag X will now be called Icon Box. I don't get that box, but if you were interested in the box, it is worth up, or it has products worth up to $350. And they're just giving you a little information and letting you know that it's the same membership you love, now with a new name and more perks than ever. Upgrade to icon box, and once every quarter you'll receive it in place of your monthly shipment. For only $58 a quarter, you'll get 8 full-size uber coveted products. You choose 3 from a collection curated by a beauty industry icon. So if any of you were interested in Ipsy and you wanted a quarterly subscription rather than a monthly subscription, and then you could get 8 full-size products instead of the value size products that you might get in the Ipsy bag, and it's only $58 for a quarter, so you're gonna pay $58 for fall, $58 for spring. I realized I went out of order of the seasons. You're gonna pay $58 for spring, $58 for summer, $58 for fall, and then $58 for winter. So if you're interested in that, then that is another option other than the bag. So now let's go ahead and show you everything in here. This is the card, and we're gonna show you all what I got. Oh, okay. So I didn't choose an add-on. I thought I chose an add-on, but it looks like I didn't. This just didn't fit in the bag. So this actually came in this month's bag, and like I said, this is the Professional Tight & Toned Pore Refining AHA and PHA Toning Foam. So it's actually the Benefit Cosmetics one, and it says there's no place like oxygenated foam. But that's where the hydroxy acids and skin smoothing action is at when you use this toner. Lemon and Japanese yuzu extracts help brighten and tighten, so you say sayonara to large pores and uneven skin. And their tip is to gently tap the formula onto your skin using your fingertips to fully absorb. Full size of this version is $34. And next product. So it looks like we got another blush or bronzer or highlighter. Okay, so it looks like we got another, it's the Mischo Beauty, it's a blush. I feel like this is too bright for me. I don't think I'd use it. Or maybe it's an eyeshadow. I don't know. This is the Mischo Beauty blush. It's a blush, and the shade is Mischo. And like I said, I don't think I'd use it because it is kind of too pink for me. So I think I'd either regift it or sell it through either Poshmark or Facebook somewhere. But that's the blush. Next is I thought it was Urban Decay. No, it's with the Trust Fund Beauty Nail Lacquer and Ride or Die. I've actually got 2 other, so it looks like I'm not selling this one because I kind of ripped it. I'm just kidding. I actually like I do enjoy getting, oh, this is pretty, nail polish from them. So this is just all white. It's just a white nail polish, and the brand is Trust Fund Beauty. I have 2 other of their nail polishes that I have yet to use, but I would like to use them eventually. So the next product that we have is a lotion, and this is the Dionis Goat Milk Skincare Hand Cream in Nutty Vanilla. Let's actually try it right now. Ooh, this smells really good. This smells really good. It smells like a Bath and Body Works candle, and I love it. I wish you could be smelling this hand cream with me. Oh, this smells so good. Okay, I love this hand cream, hands down. It smells so good. I will be smelling my hands for as long as I can after this video. It smells so yummy. Okay, so the last product in here is, looks like a lipstick or something, but it's the Illuminati liquid lipstick. Okay, so now that we've gotten through all of the products in the bag, let's go ahead and read about them. So the next product that we're going to read about is the Dionis Goat Milk Skincare Hand Lotion. Smells so good, might have to look up this brand online and see what else they have, because I would totally use this more often. I honestly think it would be nice to have in my kitchen, like a full-size one, and after wash dishes and stuff, just put some yummy hand cream on and have soft hands. Okay, so and it's only $12 for the full size. I might have to get that and order it. So we'll see. Anyways, so about it. For soft, supple, and moisturized hands without a greasy residue, reach for this hand cream. It helps nourish and comfort your chapped skin with vitamins and minerals from goat milk. Plus, the vanilla scent smells so delish every time you smooth it on. It does smell so delish. It is only $12 for the full size, so that, like I said, that's actually pretty good in my opinion, because full size, if I'm thinking of other lotions, I want to think that it's maybe gonna be at least the size of this water bottle, 16 ounces. I don't know. This is 1 ounce for not the full size, but I don't know. I'd have to check it out. The next item is the Mischo Beauty Blush in Mischo, and it says treat your cheeks to a silky smooth flush in a soft pink shade that's highly pigmented and lasts all night. Oof, this is an expensive blush. I'd like to say it's more on the higher end of blushes and beauty. For the full size, it is $41. So if you're interested in blush and you like higher end, maybe go for this one. $41. The next product is the Trust Fund Beauty nail polish in Ride or Die. I put it back in here. It says getting back to the basics doesn't have to be boring with this universally flattering 21 free, also known as non-toxic, pink nude polish. I guess it's pink nude. It kind of looks white, but we'll go for it. It's highly pigmented and super long wearing, so you stay nailing the mani and pedi game until it's time for a color change. The full size of this nail polish is $15. I don't think I'd ever buy a full size of a nail polish that was worth $15. I like Essie, and from what I remember, Essie is maybe like $9, maybe $8. So $15 is a little bit steep in my opinion, but that's just my opinion. And then the last one was Illuminati Cosmetics Liquid Lip in Symbol. It says coat your lips in rich rosy pink color with a velvety soft finish when you use this highly saturated liquid lippy. It's made with carnauba wax and kale and clay for long-lasting wear that stays comfy all day too. And this is the full size, and it is worth $21. So those are all the products that I got in March's bag. I'll go ahead and show you one more time. The Mischo Beauty Blush, the Illuminati Velvet Liquid Lipstick, and just by it saying that it's velvet, I'm going to think that it's like Kylie Jenner's lip kits, because I've used her velvet lip kits and they are really soft and smooth. So I want to say it's probably gonna be like that. And then we've got this one, the Trust Fund Beauty. I guess it is kind of a light pink. It does look like a light pink color. Trust Fund Beauty nail polish, and then this is gonna be my new favorite, the Dionis Goat Milk Skincare Hand Cream in Nutty Vanilla. And lastly, Benefit Cosmetics, the Professional Titan Toned Toning Foam. So, if you are at all interested in Ipsy, I will have a link down below to where you can subscribe, to just the Ipsy website, and I will have all the product information linked down below. If you are interested in watching more of my unboxing videos, I should have some videos in the cards. I believe they're on this side. So I'll have the cards up there, and then I will also have at the end of this video my last video that you can watch, which I believe is Mindful Souls. No, yeah, it should be a Mindful Souls video. So if you enjoy my unboxing videos and you enjoy getting Ipsy bags, or you're interested in Ipsy, then like I said, link will be down below. And just comment down below anything you would like to, any questions you might have for me, and I'll see you all next time. Bye everyone!